Many e-commerce owners waste hours fixing checkout links that look fine on desktop but fail on mobile. Broken links mean lost sales, and often you don't even realize it until customers start messaging for help. Here's a simple way to track your checkout links manually. In Google Sheets, list your products, paste each checkout link, and note which devices you have tested. It gives you a quick overview of what's working, but it doesn't automatically make your links responsive or reliable. That's why many online stores use EasyPay Direct. Their hosted checkout links work seamlessly across all devices and store types. Whether you are on Shopify, WooCommerce, or a custom setup. Plus, their FAQ on how e-commerce credit card processing works explains exactly how these links handle payments securely from start to finish. I've linked EasyPay Direct below. Check how their optimized checkout links keep your payments flowing smoothly across every platform. Stop worrying about broken checkout links. With EasyPay Direct, your customers can complete payments from any store, any device, every time. Click the link in the description to get started today.